Hello, guys. In the last 24 hours, something big has happened when it comes to generative AI. Google has just unveiled Gemini 1.5 Pro, just 1 week after the release of their Ultra offering and 70 days after their Pro 1.0. This 1.4 is really big news because it is offering context window of 1 million tokens. Let it digest for a bit. 1 million token context window is huge. If you want to understand it in layman terms, it means that 1 million token means 1 hour of video, around 11 hours of audio, more than 32,000 lines of code, and around 700,000 words. That is what that is what 1 million context window is. So context window means that is the amount of text or data a large language model can process in any point in time. This is outstanding stuff. I have already requested my access to this Gemini 1.5 Pro, and as soon as I get it, I will make a video and show you how it works. So as you can see that I just applied for it and I'm on the wait list. Okay, but at least I can give you some more information which I have gleaned from their blog post and few other sources. So I'm just going to give you a rundown of what exactly this Gemini Ultra 1.45 Pro means, and I'll drop the link to this blog post from Google in the video's description. Now, this is a multimodal model. It can deal with text, audio, video, images, and lot of other different sort of data, and it has context window of 1 million tokens and also 10 million tokens in research. Yes, so I just saved it for the end. So very soon you will be seeing that it will jump from 1 million token to 10 million tokens. So what it means that maybe 10 hours of video and then hundreds of hours of audio, thousands and thousands of lines of code, and well, 70,000, 80,000 words, which means that in one time, this context or this large language model can go through thousands of books, thousands of articles, and thousands of videos, maybe. Amazing stuff. So this capacity really makes Gemini Pro 1.5 way ahead of Anthropic's Claude. Because if you remember, I did a video on Anthropic Claude a couple of months back, I guess, in which I showed you that Anthropic Claude was having 200,000 token context window, and that was considered like a benchmark at that time. But 1.5 Pro has 1 million tokens at the moment, and it has already outperformed a lot of other models. And to be exact, 87% of the benchmarks used for developing LLMs, and it includes different modalities like text, code, image, audio, and video. But despite of its unusual and huge context window, Pro 1.5 has excelled at retrieval even for small details in a large amount of information, because that is a bit of a problem with these huge context window LLMs, that they're very good at handling large chunks of information, but when it comes to nitty gritty and the tiny teeny details, they struggle. But not with this Pro 1.5. It has even excelled at retrieval for these little information bits. It has also achieved near perfect needle in the haystack retrieval in all data modalities, text, audio, video, images, which is greater than 99% on various benchmarks. Gemini Pro 1.5 has also demonstrated remarkable and outstanding capacity in generalizing zero shot to long instructions. The easy tuning feature to customize Gemini for specific need is also on the cards, and you should see it in Google's Vertex AI Studio very soon, and I will create another video on it very soon, as soon as I get my hands on it, of course. Now, for developers, there is massive news. You have an API, and you can use this Gemini in your own applications, and you will have this mega context to play around with. So, if you have your hundreds of thousands of lines of code scattered all over your private repository, You can point Gemini 1.5 Pro to it. It will go through it, understand it in one chunk, and you can talk with all of your code in one go. And it will have all the context around it. And when it will have the context, there will be less chance of hallucination, and it will provide you more pertinent, relevant answer. So this will also enable you to generate new code that would encompass all the specifics of the existing code base. But you can even just understand, alter, uplift, optimize your existing code. Now there will be lot and lot innovation happening in Gemini space. So please stay tuned to this channel because I intend to focus more on Gemini in coming days, especially around the performance and developers perspective. I will also create another video as how you can use its API in by using Google Cloud, of course, and I have various videos where I go through some of the nitty-gritties of setting up these API stuff in Google Cloud. Exciting days ahead, so stay tuned, and I will be making more and more on this. Please, if you have any other ideas around this, let me know, and I'll be happy to note them down and try my best to come service you. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.